Driving test tips, how to handle one-way roads and impress the examiner. Are one-way roads making you nervous during your driving test? Don't worry. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly what the examiner wants to see so you can drive confidently and avoid unnecessary faults. As you approach a one-way road, always look well ahead for the one-way signs and road markings. Start checking your mirrors early and reduce your speed if necessary. Planning ahead gives you more time to make the correct decisions. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is choosing the wrong lane. If you're turning left, position safely in the left lane. If you're turning right, move into the right lane. If you're going straight ahead, follow the lane markings carefully. Never change lanes at the last moment. Good planning is what the examiner is looking for. Even though traffic only travels in one direction, you must still carry out effective observations. Check your mirrors regularly. Watch for cyclists filtering through traffic. Be aware of pedestrians crossing the road. Maintain a safe speed and always be prepared for unexpected hazards. To score well on your driving test, remember these 4 points: early observation, correct lane choice, good mirror checks, smooth, confident driving. Stay calm, plan ahead, and let the examiner see that you're driving safely, not just following the road. Good luck with your driving test.